Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, Ethereum, MCRT. MCRT still holding strong against this Bitcoin pullback. Hit the subscribe button, join 77 people, smash up the thumbs up button, and let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals for Bitcoin, and right now Bitcoin is pulling back on the daily quite strong, 23,000, big drop today. Stochastic is oversold on the 4-hourly. And on the daily is heading down quite strongly. Let's see where the major support is. It wicked down quite a lot and it's coming back down again. Look at that. It wicked down all the way to 22,900, then bounced back to 23,300, and now it's falling again the last few hours. Now the major support area, it activated the buy on my trade. That trade is slightly in the negative from that last video. The buy area, if you haven't yet bought, you have to always do your own due diligence, but I would open the trade here on these major supports. Bitcoin is at a strong support. Stop loss I'll put below this support line, and the take profit I'll put at the target because of this big cup and handle. This one here, we have a large cup and handle formation on Bitcoin, but if it breaks, so right now you can, what I would do is I would go long from 22,972, that wick down as a support. If it doesn't bounce there, it will close the trade. And if it breaks through 22,600, 22,586, we could actually go short. And it's dangerous that it did that. Why? Because we broke through of this this channel, broke to the upside twice. We broke out, came back down, broke out. And right now we're about to test the 200 weekly moving line again. Let's see if we can get a strong bounce off this 200 weekly moving average. It's sitting at 22,780. Let's see what Bitcoin does if it can hold here. On the hourly, stochastic also oversold. On the 15 minutes, heading down a little bit more. 200 weekly moving average will act as the strong support. So I would open the long like that off the 200 weekly moving average. I wouldn't go short here on Bitcoin because all the panic sellers are out. Now it would be more like, my bet is that it goes to the upside, and I would be adding to the positions here whenever Bitcoin pulls back. You have to always do your own due diligence again, but that's my opinion. So I'd be adding to the position on Bitcoin on that support line of the 200 weekly moving average. So it would open the long at 22,700, stop loss at 22,500, take profit at 27,000. That's the trade that I would take on Bitcoin, risking $260 to make $4,200. That's right, $260 risk to make $4,200 with 10x leverage, $42,000. I would open that trade on Bybit. If you want to trade like you see me do in these videos, underneath this video, you can go down below in the description and trade on Bybit. Use that link. You get a $4,450 sign-up bonus from there. My Bitcoin, that once you sign up, you'll get this account. In here, I've got $9,300 Bitcoin long. Pull back a bit, but still up 156%. I've got in this account around 461,000 US dollars. 461,000 US dollars. Bitcoin 8.3 Bitcoin, 101,000 USDC, 95,000 Solana, 22,000 USD. And that Bitcoin long at the moment. So that's the long that I would take on Bitcoin. So I would open it. I would open this Bitcoin long at 22,769, 22,769. I'd do $1,000 trade with 10x leverage, $10,000 trade. Take profit would be at the top of the target, 27,000. Stop loss would be at 22,500. 27,000, 22,500. So I'm risking $100, $106 to make $1,672. And I would go long on Bitcoin from this position. I'll share this in the Telegram group. So that's the position that I would take on Bitcoin. MCRT did really well against Bitcoin today. Bitcoin pulling back quite a lot. And MCRT is up still 16, almost 17% against Bitcoin today. Ranked 2,830. It's CERTIC audited now. And the market cap is 3.6 million. The volume today is 3.7 million, which is crazy. We've had almost 160% gain in volume, but we have more volume going through MCRT right now than the actual token, the market cap of the token. So right now, MCRT has been making some big movements. It's up almost 180 or 150% since a few days ago. So quite big movements on MCRT. You can get it on PancakeSwap. On PancakeSwap, you can swap MCRT. Also on Bitmart and MEXC. So you can do USDT, for example, or BNB or Ethereum swapping for MCRT. So 1,000 USDT right now, $1,000 gives you 282,000 MCRT. That's on PancakeSwap, which is beautiful. Let's see if you can swap Ethereum for MCRT. Ethereum. Yes, you can swap also Ethereum for MCRT. So one Ethereum gets you around 465,000 MCRT. which is beautiful. So let's check out now. Let's check out the total market cap. Oh, let's do Ethereum, because Ethereum is a good indicator of what's going to happen as well. So on Ethereum, we broke out of this symmetrical triangle to the downside, unfortunately. Ethereum is breaking down to the downside, which is not good. It broke out of the symmetrical. I expected to the upside. Let's see if it's just a fake out and if it can bounce back. Look at that. It broke down, broke underneath the symmetrical, retested it, and then got rejected. So that confirms a good short on Ethereum. It looks like Ethereum and the total market cap of all cryptos can pull back here to the base of the triangle. Unfortunately, it looks like we could be getting a pullback for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Ethereum going to 1,500, this support 1,536, and then I would short Ethereum, but I don't like shorting like Ethereum after this because we've got a lot of supports here as well. All this area is support here. So I wouldn't be shorting Ethereum. I won't take that short. If it does pull back, I would go long on Ethereum from that point. I would go long here, stop loss just beneath, and then take profit at the top. So you're getting into Ethereum, 6.49 ratio trade, 31% profit, 310 with 10x leverage. That's a trade that I would take on Ethereum. Which is beautiful. In Binance account, I've got 477,000 down or bit today, $4,000. Bitcoin, I've got 10 Bitcoin, Solana, 105,000 BNB, 104,000 BUSD, 30,000. Solana also pulling back today around 6.3%. So big pullback in the markets at the moment. So see where Bitcoin is going to find support, and I'll be buying Bitcoin at those supports. So that's what I think is going to happen in the markets for Bitcoin and Ethereum and MCRT. Hit the subscribe button, join 77,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. Thank you for watching, everyone. Pay attention to MCRT because some big news is coming this week. We will be releasing the in-game footage, the real in-game footage of the PC, iOS, and Android version. So pay attention to MCRT. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.